Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we're talking about something every Muslim dreams of, memorizing the Qur'an. Maybe you're just starting. Maybe you tried before and stopped. Or maybe you're memorizing but struggling to stay consistent. Wherever you are, this guide will show you how to memorize correctly, faster, and with long-lasting memory, using methods the Huffāz have used for centuries. Let's get started. Bismillah. Let's be honest. Many people start with excitement, but forget the most important part, niyyah, intention. Memorizing Qur'an is an act of worship. So before opening the Mus'haf, pause and remind your heart, I'm doing this for Allah, not for praise, not for competition, not for people. When the intention is right, Allah makes the journey easier. Ask Allah to help you. Say the dua He taught in the Qur'an. Rabbi zidni ilma, meaning, my Lord, increase me in knowledge. If Allah doesn't help, nobody can memorize even one ayah. So always begin with dua. It opens the heart. This is a big mistake many beginners make. They use different Qur'ans, different fonts, different page layouts. Don't do that. Pick one Mus'haf and stick with it. After a while, your eyes start to remember. This ayah is on the top of the right page. This verse is at the bottom on the left. This visual memory becomes a huge advantage. Some people get excited on day one and try to memorize a whole page. Then, by day 3, they're tired and stop. Start small. Even a few lines a day is perfectly fine. Better to memorize little and remember it than memorize a lot and forget it. This method works every time. Step 1. Listen. Before memorizing, listen to a qari with proper tajweed. Step 2. Read aloud. Read the same lines 5 to 10 times. Step 3. Memorize small sections, an ayah, a phrase, or even half a sentence. This way, your eyes see, your ears hear, your tongue recites, your brain stores. All senses work together, making memorization fast and strong. There's no magic number. Some people need 10 repetitions, others need 30. That's fine. The Prophet ﷺ said, the most beloved deeds to Allah are the ones done consistently. So repeat until you can recite smoothly without looking, even if it takes time. This tip changes everything. Whatever you memorize, recite it in your daily salah. Because salah is not just worship, it's a built-in revision system. Recite it again and again in prayer, and it sticks in the heart like glue. Memorizing without reviewing is like writing on water. It disappears. Your daily plan should look like this. New portion, what you memorized today. Recent review, what you learned this week. Old review, what you memorized before. Even 20 minutes a day, if done regularly, will bring amazing progress. Without doubt, the best time is before Fajr. The mind is fresh, the heart is calm, the world is quiet. But if that's not possible, choose a time when you're not tired, not distracted, able to focus. Quality time matters more than clock time. Let's be real. Memorizing while checking your phone every 2 minutes will slow you down. When you sit to memorize, turn off notifications, put the phone aside, sit in a clean, quiet place. Give the Qur'an your full attention. It deserves that. A teacher is not just someone who listens to you. A teacher corrects mistakes, improves tajweed, keeps you disciplined, motivates you when you get tired. Even one class a week can change your journey. Some people memorize 1 page a day. Some memorize 3 lines. Some need weeks to memorize 1 surah. All are rewarded. This is not a race. This is a journey with the Book of Allah. Every letter you memorize is written as worship. Allah said,
وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
We have certainly made the Qur'an easy to remember. Surah Al-Qamar, verse 17. If Allah says it's easy, then it is easy. Just follow the process, stay patient, and Allah will open the way. Let's quickly recap. Make your intention pure. Start with dua. Stick to 1 mushaf. Memorize small daily portions. Repeat until it's firm. Use it in salah. Review regularly. Be patient. Trust Allah's promise. If you do these things, you will see progress, insha'Allah, faster and stronger than ever before. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic learning content. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.